Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is lemon risotto with salmon. Today I'm going to show you a delicious low carb dish that is also keto friendly and high in protein. This is lemon risotto with salmon. Super easy to make. It will take you no more than 10-15 minutes and it is a great summertime dinner or lunch. Jumping right in, first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my rice. Now, this rice, you guys know, I've already talked about this in other videos. I'm not sponsored by Miracle Noodle, but they make a really great rice alternative. It is low carb. It only has 10 calories in this entire bag, and it is honestly the closest texture that I've felt that is closest to rice, like regular white rice, and it has no flavor. Sometimes you get these rice alternatives and they have all these like weird aftertastes. This has no taste. It just picks up the taste of whatever you cook it with. What I like to do is I like to take it out of the package and throw it into a sifter like this, and we're just going to rinse it under cold water. After I've rinsed it under cold water, I just like to strain it to make sure that there is no liquid that's left over. And now that it's nice and dry, I'm just gonna dump it into a bowl while we work on prepping the other ingredients. First thing I'm going to do is prep the salmon. You can get a salmon fillet with or without the skin. This one is with the skin. And I'm gonna take some olive oil, drizzle it on top, and make sure we cover this with olive oil on both sides. For my seasonings, I'm gonna do some coarse salt or flaky salt, white pepper. I do the white pepper rather than the black pepper because I think it has a much milder flavor and it just tastes a lot better with the salmon. And this is garlic powder. We're just going to press this into the salmon and flip it and season it the same way on the other side. Let's set this aside and let it marinate for about 5 minutes. Next thing we're going to prep is our garlic. I'm gonna take a couple of cloves of garlic, like 3 to 4, and we're just going to slice this up. So I just like to cut off the end. Makes it much easier to peel. With the peeled garlic cloves, I'm gonna cut off the end. And then we're just going to slice this. I also have some fresh oregano. I'm gonna take the oregano, just the leaves, and set them aside right here. This is going to be for our risotto. And lastly, a lemon. I'm just gonna cut it in half and juice the lemon so it's ready to go into the risotto when we're cooking. I love to use the fresh oregano from my garden, but if you don't have access to fresh oregano, dried oregano will work as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. We're going to start with our lemon risotto. I am heating a nonstick pan on medium-low heat, and I'm gonna take some olive oil and drizzle it into the pan. We're gonna take our rice alternative and throw it in the pan. What we're first doing is we are cooking the rice to make it like take up the flavor of the olive oil. Again, this rice has absolutely no taste, no aftertaste, just the texture. And I wanna make sure that it really absorbs as much olive oil flavor and dries out a little bit more in the pan. I'm gonna take a pinch of salt into our rice. After about 2-3 minutes, you're gonna take that sliced garlic and throw it into the rice. I'm gonna leave a couple slices for the salmon. I'm also gonna take that fresh oregano and just rip it up a little bit more and sprinkle it into our rice. Sauteing that around a little bit, I'm gonna add half of the lemon juice of the half of the lemon. So it's probably about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna give this about another 2-3 minutes to cook. After a couple minutes, you're gonna add about a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Our lemon risotto is ready. We're gonna take it out and cook the salmon. I wiped down the pan and now I'm heating it again on medium-low heat. We're gonna take a little bit more olive oil, drizzle that into the pan. And we're gonna start by cooking the salmon skin side down if you're cooking the salmon with skin, otherwise whatever side. Laying that away from us. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes. It's really important that your heat is on medium-low heat because you don't want to burn the salmon. You want it to cook thoroughly through the salmon without overcooking it. To add some delicious flavor, we're going to add the rest of those garlic slices. I add them really close to the salmon, but not under the salmon or on top of the salmon. After about 2 minutes, your salmon will be ready to flip. It's gonna be cooked halfway up the filet. I'm gonna take some tongs. We're gonna flip the salmon on top of the garlic. We're gonna let this cook for another couple of minutes until the salmon is cooked halfway up the filet. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. After another couple of minutes, we're going to flip it back over on the skin side. I'm gonna add another couple tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to baste the salmon. So I'm gonna move my salmon up on the pan a little, moving the garlic in with that butter. And with that melted butter, we're going to baste the salmon to let it absorb all that delicious flavor, and it's gonna keep crisping and cooking our salmon. I like to baste for about a minute. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to share it with someone who absolutely loves salmon and would love this dish. I've turned off the heat, and for our final step, I'm just going to take the remainder of our lemon juice and put it on top of the salmon for that last like 20 seconds to let the salmon absorb that delicious lemon juice. And there you have it, easy and delicious lemon risotto with salmon. Such a simple dish. It takes no more than 15 minutes to make. And most importantly, it is low calorie, high in protein, low carb, and delicious. Let's take a delicious bite right here. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Cheers. Incredibly fragrant and such a great dish for the summertime. Something really light that you can enjoy and no more than 15 minutes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.